Hello guys, this is Psych Maestro, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use a sound for my routine, and this is called the cough snare, and this is how beatboxers cough. So let's go. So thank you guys. Thank you.